Okay, ma. Good morning, all of you, ma.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Already
Sir.
yesterday, what you learn in
Morning.
previous classes? We learn in previous classes classification in animals. Okay, in classification
Yes, sir.
animals, what do you learn about? Some classifications. Say some, ma.
Vertebrata, 5 types, sir.
Okay, not that one, ma. Entire, you have to Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, and then Arthropoda,
Sir, next,
Mollusca,
Arthropoda,
Echinodermata,
any
Protocardata. These are we learn, ma. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is Porifera? What is mean by Porifera?
Sir, holes, sir. Holes.
Holes, sir.
Holes, sir.
It have a holes.
Holes.
Porifera
Holes.
mean holes.
Holes.
Okay. Okay, ma. Porifera mean holes. What is the example of Porifera?
It is anyone.
Cycon
Holes,
is the
sir.
example of Porifera. Okay, Coelenterata.
Yes, sir.
It is covered with a
The body is
diploblast. Mean it form a two layers, inner layer, outer layer.
two
The
layers.
entire body form
Outer
with a
layer,
two
yes, sir.
layer. Okay, na? Example, Hydra, jellyfish, and then sea anemones. These are the example for Coelenterata. Platyhelminthes. Okay, na? Platyhelminthes mean it is a look like a tape. Okay, na? Left to right, right to left, you can see.
Yes, sir.
It's the same
Tapeworm,
anamata.
sir.
That's say it is called okay,
Tapeworm.
Platyhelminthes. Okay, na? Example, Platyhelminthes. Example, ma?
Yes, sir.
Tapeworm. Next one,
Tapeworm,
Annelida.
sir.
Arthropodas. Next. What
Annelida
is
means
mean by arthropoda?
Legs, sir. With giant legs, sir.
Okay, it's joint
Sir,
legs.
joint
What are
legs,
the
sir.
example of arthropodas?
Yes, sir.
Echona eggs, sir.
What, ma?
Echona eggs, 3 legs.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cockroach. Okay, na?
Cockroach.
Next,
Yes, sir.
scorpion and then span.
Sir,
Okay, na?
Ovals.
tail.
These are the examples
Respiratory
for.
system, sir.
Okay, mollusca. Example, ma?
Sorry, shaped kidney, sir. Shaped kidney.
Snails. Okay. Again, and hermetic example, ma?
Skin, sir.
Starfish
Skin.
or sea star. These are the examples for previous you learn. Okay, na? Next we are
Yes, sir.
learning about today car data. Okay, na? Car data mean
God, yes, sir.
it's a divide into further 3 types, ma. Okay, na? They are
Yes, sir.
Euro car data, Tableau car data, and then
Vertebrata.
Vertebrata. Okay, na? Car data again
Sir.
divide into 3
Three
marks.
types.
Ah.
Fluorocardata,
Three types.
Fluorocarbata, Vertebrata.
Very nice, ma. Very good, ma. Okay. Who dividing like this, ma?
Cavalier and Smith, sir.
What, ma?
Cavalier and
The
Smith.
Cavaliers.
Yes. Cavalier and
Cavaliers
Smith.
and Miss.
Divide into car data again 3 types. Okay, na?
Three
Okay. These
three layers, sir.
3 types are Euro car data, Cephalocard data, and then vertebratas. Okay, who approved this car data divide into further divisions?
International Biological Science, sir. IBS.
Yes, IBS. IBS means International Biological Society.
Sir,
They approved. Okay, na? Okay, ma.
Sir.
Let us learn about today vertebrata. Okay, na? Vertebrata and what are the vertebrata? What are the functions of features of vertebrata? What are the classification? Again, divide into the vertebrata. Let us learn in this class, ma. Okay. What these animals have a true vertebral column and an internal skeleton. It is a internal skeleton and then vertebral column and then allowing a completely different distribution, a different distribution of muscles attachment point to be used for movement. Here is a attachment of muscles. What is the use of muscles? It's a movement of the organ. అంటే ఈ ఆర్గాన్ మూవ్ అయ్యేదానికి ఇది యూజ్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. దట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏంది ట్రైప్లోబ్లాస్ట్ అండ్ దెన్ bilateral cylindrical trabeculoblast and the coelomic and segmented. These are the characteristics of vertebrates. Vertebrates again divide into the
5 types, sir.
lot of divisions, ma, classifications. Okay, what are the features of chordata? Okay, na? That means vertebrata again. What are the features you have to see, ma? Have a notochordata. First one, have a notochordata. Second one, have a dermal nerve cord. Okay, na? Next one, have a pin grill pouches. Some have a pin grill pouches. And then triploblast, post nail tail. What is mean by post nail? It is, and we have to identify either head, tail. Both are you can identify, ma. That is the feature of this vertebrata, ma. Okay, na? Next one, are a triploblastic or coelomate. These are the characteristics of the animalia. That mean vertebrates are all these features are present in that organelle, ma. Okay, na? Vertebrates are grouped into 5 classes. Again divided into the 5 classes. First one, fishes. Second one, amphibians. And then reptilia,
Reptilias.
bird or waves. And then
Mammalia.
mammalias. These are the 5 groups classified. Who classified like this, ma?
Smith Cavalier, sir.
Yes, Cavalier and Smith classified
Yes,
vertebrata divided into 5 classes. They are species, amphibians, reptilia,
Amphibians,
bird and waves,
reptiles,
and
both means
mammalias. These are the
mammalias.
5 types, sir.
okay. Again, divided into
5 types,
5
sir.
classes, ma. Let us learn one by one. First one, what is the first one, ma? Fishes.
Fishes,
Okay.
amphibians, reptilians.
Wait,
birds
wait,
and
ma.
birds.
First one, fishes. Let us knowing about fishes. What are the characteristics of in fishes? Let us see, ma. Here is a are you visual, ma? Slide కనబడుతుందమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see, ma.
Yes, sir.
Fishes have a fin and tail. When we are observing this fish, entire body side to side, lot of fins are there, and then tail are there. Tail is there. What is the use of fins and tails? It's a swimming. It is help to
Swimming.
swimming.
Swimming, sir.
That is
Swimming.
the help of
Swimming.
fins and tails, ma. Okay, breathe underwater by using grills. When we are observing fish,
Side
both
by
side
side,
we have a
sir.
grills.
Side by side, sir.
It is a helper to breathing.
Breathing.
Okay, now next. Cold-blooded animals. These are the cold-blooded animals. And
sir.
heart have a 2 chambers. How many chambers are there in the heart?
Numbers, sir.
Yes,
chambers,
there is
sir.
a 2 chambers only. This is the fish and their features. Okay, na? Fish have a
Yes, sir.
tail
2
and
chambers.
fins, breathing underwater, cold-blooded, and then 2 chambers heart. Example, fishes, ma. Next one,
Yes, sir.
amphibious.
Amphibious.
Amphibious mean okay.
What,
it is-
sir?
Lived land and
it is
water, sir.
living both
Land and
land and
water.
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 That's why it is called amphibious. Okay, let us see what are the characteristics in amphibious. Let
Yes,
us
sir.
knowing about amphibious. Okay, all of you, I will explain. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, young lives in a water, but adults live on a land. Okay, na?
Land.
That's
Yes,
what
sir.
it is called. Some are living, and when it is young, it is live in a water. It is became a adult. It's live on a land. Okay, it can live easily both water and land. That's why it
Land.
is called amphibious. తెలుగులో అయితే ఉభయచరాలు అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. It have a smooth silky skin. Slimy skin, not silky. Smooth, slimy skin. Okay. Next, lay eggs. First vertebrates can be live both in water and land.
Land.
Okay, na? Here is the special characteristics in the amphibious. What are they? It is live in both water and land. That is the specific of
Land.
amphibious. Okay, na? It is have a
Amphibious.
cold-blooded, and then heart have a 3
Cold-blooded.
chambers. How many chambers are there
3 chambers, sir.
in amphibious?
Sir,
3 chambers.
3 chambers, sir.
Yes, there
Three
is a 3
chambers.
chambers. Okay.
Heart. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Young live in a water. When it is living in water, they use it to skin to respiration. When it is
Example,
living in a
lungs,
water
sir.
land, it is used to lungs to respiration. That is the specialized for amphibious. Okay,
Sir.
ma. Next, third one, reptilians.
Reptilian.
Reptiles.
Okay, na. This is the third one. Have a dry skin and scales have present on the skin. That is the characteristics of reptilians. Have a dry
Reptilians.
skin. It's have a dry skin, ma. And then
Yes, sir.
have a scales. Okay, scales mean పైన పులుసులు కనిపిస్తారు. That is the scales. It's lay eggs. Breathe air. Breathe air mean it's have a lungs. Lungs to respiration. It help to respiration to lungs ద్వారా ఇది బ్రీతింగ్ చేసుకుంటది. ఓకేనా? కోల్డ్ బ్లడెడ్ animals. Most of them have a 3 chambers heart. How many chambers are there in the reptilians?
3 chambers.
Three
sir.
chambers, sir.
3 chambers.
Three
Very good,
chambers,
very
sir.
good, ma. But
Three
only
chambers.
crocodile have a 4 chambers
4
hearted.
chambers, sir.
Yes. Here is the reptilia. Okay, you have to learn, ma. It's have a dry skin and scales have. Lay
Scales,
eggs,
yes, sir.
breathe air, and cold-blooded. Most of them have a 3 chambers, especially crocodile. Crocodile also reptilia, ma. But
Yes, sir.
అయితే it's have a 4 chambers hearted. Okay, what are the
4
examples
chambers.
of reptilians? Snakes and
Crocodile, sir.
crocodiles. These are the examples
Crocodiles.
for reptilia.
Reptilian.
Okay, ma. Next one, birds, ma. Fourth one, birds. Birds are waves. Birds are waves. Okay, what are the characteristics of birds? It's have a feathers.
Feather. Two wings, sir. 2 wings.
Okay, it's have a claws. Claw mean it is leg became like that. It's have a 4 fingers, ma. When anything carry like that, catch. When we are like మనం ఎలా అయితే catch చేస్తామో like that, it is also catch some. Okay, na? Example, you have to see in a eagle. It's taken chickens or some more organelles.
The snakes also.
How to
is
carry this?
Snakes.
It's catching
Next
to
will take, sir.
clouds. ఓకేనా?
Clouds.
ఆ క్లౌస్ ద్వారా పట్టుకొని తీసుకెళ్ళిపోద్దమ్మా. ఓకేనా? ఇట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ క్లౌస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో లే
Yes,
ఎగ్స్.
sir.
Warm blooded. Before all these things, fish, amphibious, reptiles are 3 are cold blooded. Birds are the warm blooded animals. 4 chamber hearted. This is the 4 chambers hearted and then warm blooded. Okay, na? This is the features of birds, ma. Okay, na? Examples వచ్చి all
Yes, sir.
living birds are examples for A's are birds. Okay na? Next move on to. Okay. Next fifth one, mammalias. Mammalias again divide into land mammalias and then marine mammalias and then flying mammalias. These are the examples of all these things ma. Okay na?
Yes,
Let us
sir.
see one by one. Okay, what are the characteristics of mammalias? Okay na? Let us see.
Sir, outer eat 4 lambs, sir.
What ma?
Outer
Sir,
ears,
outer
four
ears,
limbs.
4 limbs, sir.
Okay, okay. Young ones, they live, give birth for fully baby. Young ones అన్నమాట. It's became a entire developed into the womb. అంటే పొట్టలోనే డెవలప్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇట్స్ ఏ బర్త్ టు ఎంటైర్ గ్రోత్ మీన్ డెవలప్డ్ యంగ్ వన్స్ అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్,
Sir.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏముంది? ఇట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ స్కిన్ కవర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఎయిర్, entire body covered with a air. Further breath give birth to give completely growth baby ma. Okay na? It's giving to feed for milk. పాలిచ్చి పెంచే జీవులు అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, వాట్
Yes,
ఆర్
sir.
ద ల్యాండ్ మమ్మేలియస్? ఇట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ outer ear. ఓకేనా? outer ear
Sir.
and then 4 limbs. 4 limbs mean they have a, we have human beings have a 2 hands and then 2 legs.
2 legs.
Some animals have a 4 legs, front legs and back legs. That is called
Yes, sir.
arms and legs. It's form a, okay, totally it's form 4 limbs have. That is the specialized part mammalias. Okay na? It's became some animals have a 4 legs ma. Human beings have a 2 hands and then 2 legs. What are the uses of
2 legs.
limbs?
Sir, lips,
What are the uses of limbs?
limbs,
It's movement.
Sir,
Moving. It's moving.
sir, movement, sir.
Okay, it is help for
Walking.
a moving. Okay na? Next one.
Moving our body, sir.
Land
Body
mammalias. Already mammals, already I told. Mammalias are again land mammalias, marine mammalias, and then flying mammals. Already I divide into mammals again 3 types ma. First one, land mammalias. Land mammals again marsupials. That means here is a, okay na, care, feed their young ones in their sacks. Sacks means ఒక సంచి లాంటి నిర్మాణం ఉంటుందమ్మా. ఓకేనా? అందులో
Sir.
బేబీని పెట్టుకొని ఇట్స్ ప్రొటెక్ట్
చేసుకుంటాం.
దమ్ సమ్ డేస్ మా, సమ్ మంత్స్ ఆర్ సమ్ డేస్ ఇట్స్ ప్రొటెక్టింగ్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద
Sir.
ఫస్ట్ వన్ మా. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్,
Mammalias.
ప్రైమేట్స్.
Sir.
నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్. మార్సిపియల్స్. ఓకేమా? మార్సిపియల్స్ అంటే ఇట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ స్నాక్స్ అండర్ ది stomach ma. It's protecting the young one, put into that one. Okay na? That is the marsupials. Okay, next one, primates ma. Primates means, okay, slide zoom.
Sir,
Okay,
well developed hands, sir.
It's have a well developed hands,
Hands.
feet, with fingers. Okay na? They have a feet and fingers. Toe can judge distance. Okay na? It is a distance. A judge distance mean ఎంత దూరాలనైనా they can easily identify ma. How to identify? When hearing the sound ను బట్టి they can judge the distance. That is the specialized part this mammalias ma. Primates mean
Primates.
developed. Okay na?
Sir, well
Next
developed
one,
hands.
very intelligent.
Hands.
So very intelligent. these primates are very intelligent. Why calling intelligence? They can easily adjust everything and then take decision for situation బట్టి అవి డెసిషన్ తీసుకోగలము. ఓకే, when we are observing monkeys కానీ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే they can to jump to one plant to another plant, one branches to another branch. How to jump? We have to judge. When we are jumping, catch that one, he think, okay, then jumped. It is not jump, cannot catch అనుకున్నప్పుడు they cannot jump ma. Okay, reach another place. That is the judgment of distance. That is the judges like intelligently. These are the social animals. Socials mean it is live in a society. Okay na? From bonds, each and everybody among all the others, they bonding each other ma. Okay na? That is the one more quality of these primates. With a family, friends or friendship, these are the other factors of that mean అవన్నీ కూడా వీటి లక్షణాలు అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు రోడప్స్. ఈ ప్రైమేట్స్ కి వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మీన్? monkeys and human beings are the example of primates. Next one ma, rodents. Rodents mean knowing animals, large incisor teeth, 2 parts, okay na, use like chisel to groove, rack on hard food. When we are observing the rat, it's any hard food material, they can break it ma. Okay na, కొరికి తినడం మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుంటాం. How to is possible mean? It's have a large incisor teeth. They have a 4. Okay na, 4 అంటే మనం ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మంకీని కానీ, మంకీ అంటున్నాను, దట్ మీన్ ర్యాట్ని కానీ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే అటువైపు ఇటువైపు 2 పళ్ళు లాగా వచ్చుంటాయి మా పెద్దవి. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజింగ్ టు, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ incisor teeth. What is the use of incisor teeth? It's a hard material, can break it. Okay na? Grind mean grieve mean, that mean కొరుకు తినేస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? ఎప్పుడైనా మనం ఏదైనా ఫ్రూట్స్ అవి చూస్తే ఈ ర్యాట్స్ అన్ని కొరుకు తినేయడం మనం ఈజీలీ యూ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై మా. దట్ ఈస్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్, it's a hard things also eating, hard food materials also kneeing in this help of incisor teeth ma. Okay na? That is the specialized for this one. Okay, next one, example for rat and rabbits. Okay, next one, marine mammalians ma. What are the characteristics of marine mammalians?
Well, sir.
Sir, it's living in water, sir.
Live
Water.
almost it's live in a water. Okay na? And some only have a space cover of air, some have a space have a, that entire body have a space of air, entire look like fish ma. Fish also covered with entire body with scales, like that here also some have a airs, some have a scales. It is live in water. That's why it is a big fish like, so that it is live in a marines mean సముద్రాల్లో మాత్రమే ఇది నివసించగలదు. So that it is called marine mammals. What is mammals? They give feed for milk, young ones. Okay na? Their young ones కి మిల్క్ ఇచ్చి ప్రొడక్ట్ చేస్తాయి కాబట్టి that is called mammalias. That's mean here also whales mean తిమింగలం అంటాం. ఆ తిమింగలం also to give birth to their young ones. All fishes are giving already we learn about fish. Fish lay eggs and already you told ma. But here also, it is also live in water. It is look like a fish, but it give to birth for young ones ma. It's give a food for young ones to milk ma. That's why it is the called marine mammalias. This is, are you understood ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one.
Flying.
Okay, next one. Flying
Flying
mammalias.
mammals.
Flying mammalias means it's look like a bird, but it is a mammalia. Why calling mammalia? It's give to birth for
Give
young
birth,
ones.
sir.
Birth to give young ones.
Young ones.
And give to feed for milk. Okay na? That's why it is called mammalias. Use echolocation. Martival living roots. Okay, it's a judged when we are observing. Here is a example of bat. Okay na? Bat judged like distance. It's a vibers mean one place to another place. Okay, where sound produced, it is easily judged how distance it came from that sound. That is the specialized part bat. That's why it's moving. That way or another way is moving ma. ఓకేనా అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఎక్కడైతే సౌండ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుందో ఆ సౌండ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయ్యే దాన్ని బట్టి ఆ సౌండ్ వైబ్రేషన్ బట్టి ఇట్ కెన్ జడ్జ్ మా డిస్టెన్స్ ని జడ్జి చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, డైరెక్ట్ గా దగ్గరకు వస్తుంది అనుకున్నప్పుడు ఇట్స్ అవే వెంట అవే. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్లీ అనుకుందాం. దట్స్ వెంట్ సైడ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషల్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఫర్ ఫ్లయింగ్ మమ్మేలియస్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాట్మా. ఓకేనా, దీస్ ఆర్ ద all these things. ఓకేనా, vertebrates again divided into 5 types. First one fishes, second one amphibious, third one
Reptilians.
fourth one birds or waves, fifth one mammalias.
Mammalians.
These are the 5 types. Who
5 types.
classified like this ma?
Cavalier and Smith, sir.
Very good ma. Okay, what are the characteristics of species?
Tails and
Let us one by
and tails, sir.
told one by ma.
Sir,
are
helps
the
of grills, sir. Grills. Sir, helps of grills, sir. Grills.
It's
Sir,
have a
he
pin
is
and tail. What is the use of pin and tails?
Swimming,
Sir, he
sir.
is using pin and tail.
Yes, it's moving
Breathing
or
and
swimming. Okay na? These are the
Breathing and
useful
swimming,
for
sir.
pin and tails. It's a underwater, breathing underwater. Why taking underwater? It's that oxygen dissolved into the water. Okay, so that it is used to underwater. It's a helper to breathing grills in fishes. Okay ma? It's have a cold-blooded animals, two chamber
Cold-blooded, sir.
hearted. That is the characteristics of fishes. Okay, next one amphibious. It is live both land and
And
water.
water.
That's why it is
Sir,
called.
land and water, sir.
Frogs, sir.
That's why it is called amphibious. Okay ma?
Amphibious.
It's
Example,
have a
frogs, sir.
smooth.
Sir.
Okay na, silky
Sir, it have a
okay,
skin,
it's
sir.
layex.
Skin.
And then
Legs, sir. Cold-blooded animals.
three-hearted chamber, cold-blooded and three-hearted chamber. This is the characteristics of amphibious. What is the
Sir,
reptilian?
reptilians. Sir, have a dry skin, sir.
It's
dry
have a
skin,
dry
sir.
Have a
skin
dry skin.
and scales.
Legs, sir. Breathe air.
Okay, it is also
Legs,
legs.
breathe, air, lungs, sir.
Okay,
Cold-blooded
Sir,
animals,
it
sir.
has breathe, air, lungs, sir.
These are also cold-blooded. Okay, as usual, almost 3 chambers hearted. Especially crocodile have a 4 chambers hearted.
4 chambers
Examples
hearted,
are
sir.
snakes and crocodiles. Okay, na? Next, birds.
Sir.
Okay, it's have a feathers and two wings.
Sir, 2 wings, sir.
It's have a
Two wings.
claw.
Legs,
It
Legs.
have, sir,
Warm-blooded animal.
sir. Warm,
Okay, na? Warm-blooded animals. This is the
warm-blooded, sir.
special characteristics of
Warm-blooded.
these birds. Okay, na? Again,
Four
what are
chambers,
the?
hot,
It's
sir.
have a 4 chambers, ma. Okay, na? Next one, mammalias. Mammalias have a young ones give a birth to
Sir,
give
after
young
year
ones.
four-
It's a developed young ones, ma. Okay, it's giving to feed for milk.
Milk,
Their babies, ma.
sir.
Skin covered with air. Okay, na? Or
Sir.
somewhere else, annamata. Okay, na? Next, land mammalias. Land mammalias are outer ear and then 4 limbs. 4 limbs are converted into some human beings have a 2 hands and 2
Two legs.
legs. Either animals
Example,
have a 4
sir, example.
legs, ma. Okay, what is the use of limbs? It's
Sir,
a movement. It is helper to
Movement, sir.
movement. Okay,
Movement.
land mammalia, sir. First one.
outer ears,
Ah,
4 limbs,
okay, ma.
arms, legs.
Okay, ma. Okay. Next one వచ్చి land mammalias. Marsupials. Marsupials mean it's have a care and feed their young in their snacks. Snacks mean ఒక
Yes,
పొట్టలాట
snacks.
పెట్టుకొని అందులో
Outdoor
బేబీని
the-
పెట్టి ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ kangaroo. Okay,
Kangaroo.
next, primates mean it's a well developed
Sir, rat,
hands,
sir.
feet with fingers.
Sir,
Okay, na can
example,
judge the distance.
example,
Very
monkey and
intelligent.
human beings, sir.
Social animals and from bonds with family and friends. Example, monkey and mans. These are the example for primates. Okay, next one, rodents.
Rodents, sir.
It's have a long scissor, incisor
Navic
teeth,
animals,
ma.
legs.
It is easy to
Flying
kneading.
mammalian.
Hard
Sir,
food
seeds,
particles.
seeds, sir.
Okay, these are the special characteristics of rodents. Example,
Example,
rat and
monkeys.
rabbits.
Yes, sir. Rats and rabbits.
Okay.
Rats and rabbits.
Next one, marine mammals, ma. It's live in a
Covering
water.
air, sir.
Some only have a sphere
Covering
covering
air.
with air, entire
Air.
body. Almost have a scales in cover with